YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed my previous uploads. If so, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. The more subscribers I get, the more frequently I'll be uploading new content. There's still a pandemic going on here in the UK, so there's still curfews for what we can do and where we can go. Nonetheless, today we're going to be looking at the Kizer WPK World Legal Pocket Knife. It's really a fantastic knife. I'm going to break the video down into 5 main sections. We're going to be looking at the unboxing, what you get out of the box, the first look and my first impressions of the knife, specifications, how does it stack up on paper to other knives. We're going to give it a real world test, some light cutting, and final conclusion, and basically if I recommend it or not. Okay, the WPK comes in quite a nice box, well presented. Okay, let's do some unboxing. Comes in like a dual door. Box has some magnets in it, really quite nice. Okay. Get some sort of pamphlet. Seems to be a thank you card. Some information about care and use. Warranty. Oh, nice lifetime limited warranty. Okay, what else do you get in the pouch? Okay, you get a screen cleaner. Quite nicely presented so far. Okay, that's all you get then. I'll try to do this one-handed as I'm holding the phone filming. Quite a nice pouch. Quite impressive really for the money. Have a quick look. First impressions. Very nice. Okay, I've just unboxed the Kizer WPK. First impressions, it's really a compact knife, very small. It's quite heavy in hand. The construction is great. The centering of the blade is perfect. It feels very strong and durable. It's got a belt clip on one side and a clean finish on the other side. Obviously it's a friction folding knife, so there's no lock if you try and open it. Ooh, it opens really smooth. It's quite a strong detent there, preventing the blade from accidentally closing. Okay, if we go over some of the specifications. Designed by Jared Price, manufactured by Kizer, produced in China. The model is WPK. It's got a sheep's foot blade. The knife is 5.6 inches in overall length, with the blade being 2.5 inches, which makes it legal pretty much all over the world. It's got a stone washed finished on the blade. The handle is made out of full titanium, where I think the nuts and the bolts being stainless steel. It's got like a blue rim around the nuts, which really sets off the colours. It's 3.36 ounces in weight. It is quite weighty in comparison to the UK Spyderco, probably at least twice the weight. The belt clip is really quite functional. I really like the elegant design. There's no words or anything on the handle, there's no odd colours, it's very plain, basic, and looks really professional. The blade is S35VN, which is a top make steel. You're not going to get really a much better steel than that. The construction is really well thought out. The centering on the blade is close to perfect. Obviously it's a friction folder, but the detent is quite strong. It takes a little bit of force to break that detent. Quite easy to open, there's not much effort involved. Yeah, I really am quite impressed. I think this could make a perfect everyday carry knife, especially in the UK, as it's perfectly legal. For light tasks, I expect this to perform really quite well. I think it'd be perfect for cutting food and slicing due to the shape of the blade. Okay, quick cutting test. Factory sharpened blade. I haven't sharpened it at all. See if we can cut paper. Quite sharp. I wasn't really holding the paper that tight. Try some typical tasks. Rope. Easy. No effort whatsoever. Yeah, so quite sharp out of the box. It could do with a little bit of sharpening, but overall I'm quite impressed. So in conclusion, the WPK has great elegant design. It's fully functional, non-obtrusive when carried around in the pocket. It has top specifications, S35VN steel on the blade, which is really top end, and titanium handle. Full metal construction, which is quite rare for friction folders. Usually it's more of a plastic or wood finish, as they tend to be cheaper knives. At £120 in the UK, it's really quite budget friendly. You're not going to find a better quality, premium quality knife for that sort of money. Universally legal, which is a big plus. You can pretty much carry this anywhere, legally in the whole of the UK. Pretty much all of Europe, you're going to be hard pressed to find somewhere where this isn't legal due to the small length of the blade. That being said, the sheep's foot style isn't for everyone. I can think of a drop point or something would be better for EDC carry. The blade could be slightly thinner. It is a really thick blade for the size, and it could be a full flat grind rather than a wedge you get at the top, which would make it a better slicer. I think this knife would be fantastic for everyday carry, for light tasks in the UK. Something you just throw in your bag, great for that. In comparison to some of the other knives on the market, the Spyderco non-locking, as you can see, the Spyderco is a lot bigger. Ironically, it's a lot lighter as well. I really like the Spyderco, but the only thing with the Spyderco is it feels cheap and it feels a bit tacky. I really wish they'd make a full metal construction. You've got the Viper Dan. The Viper Dan is really a nice knife. It's friction folder again. And you've got the SOG Terminus. This is also a really good knife in comparison. The blade thickness is about the same on these two. Obviously the SOG is slightly larger, just coming under 3 inches. If I was going to improve the WPK, I think I'd go for a slightly longer blade, say 2.9 inches, which is still pretty much universally legal, but it'll be more functional. I'd also go for a full flat grind. So, final thoughts. I think this would make a fantastic everyday carry knife, especially in the UK, where